There was actually another one out there that hopped down and was partaking. But I wonder if those are Downies? Those look a little bit bigger. Thought I saw another one. Oh, there's another one. See how the difference between the size? And then he just flew back. He's kind of hanging out on the tree, I guess waiting for this guy to leave. But I'm gonna have to get another. I'm gonna have to get another one of these blocks, or another hanger for one. At least get two of them out there, so more than one can. Oh, he's back. So we'll see how this plays out, but I think they're kind of cute. Let's see. Daring? Gonna be daring? Oh, nope. Nope. Here's the other big one. And there we go. Guess something spooked him.